Hey everybody, it's Dr. Wings, the tired redstoner, here showing you a redstone computer. This redstone computer is pretty basic, using a bunch of AND gates, no half adders or anything. Or adders, nothing. I probably should have thought of that, but I didn't, so, Anyway, let's just show you how this works. We'll cut on over to the control. Now we're in the control room. So as you can see, for ease of access, I labeled all these 0 through 4. If I were to say let's flip 3, then flip 2, it would come out showing 5. Let's say I were to do, let's go with 2 and 4. It would come out with 6. Let's say I wanted to do 4 and 0. It would come out with 4. And this is a pretty bad design for it, but I'm gonna show you a better design. So let's cut on over to the building. So first, you're gonna want to make the groundwork of the thing. So let's just make a 7-segment display. You may notice that I'm not doing 3 wide, I'm doing 2 wide. That's for ease. What you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to make a 3 diagonal line, place a block, and then do 2 diagonal line on the other side, and then go up 1 on that, then go inwards, then back up again, and on both sides. And you're not quite done yet. You're gonna want to do the same thing you did down there, and then do the diagonal line again. And now you have the basic groundwork of your display done. Now you're gonna want to fill in these little indents with redstone lamps. I'll cut to when I finish. Okay, done. Now you might notice, hey, there's something here. That's for the middle. You should probably fill that in. And then now we just need to fill in these small little bricks so that stupidly annoying sun doesn't get in our way, because who likes the sun? And now you got the basic display done, you need to make it so it turns on. So what I recommend is just doing what I'm doing. You're going to want to, right here for these, you're going to want to go like that so redstone signals don't connect. Because who likes it when your redstone signal connects, eh? And presto! Now you have the basic lines into them, but there's not enough space, so you're going to want to extend them a little. And then you're going to want to place redstone on them. Let's skip ahead to when I do all that. Okay, there we are. Back of this is done. Let's cut to the front. Let's just make a simple chamber. This time, we're going to be using half adders for this. What you're going to want to do is, if you want to make a platform, but 2 apart, you're going to want to make two high things sticking up and place levers on those. Each lever represents adding 1. So, now we're gonna need to feed the signal down from the levers. About 3 back should be good. Do, and then do. Now what you're gonna want to do, you're gonna want to feed it one side across 1 side across 2. Now you're gonna want to make an X looking thing with 2 legs on the front. You're almost done with the XOR part of the adder. Then you're going to want to place redstone dust on the tips of both the legs, and then right here. Good, you're doing even better. Then you're going to want to place redstone torches here, here, and here. There you are. You got an XOR gate. If only one of the signals is going in, this will be on. If both, this will be off. So let's quickly connect these to the levers. You okay? Done. But what about, let's say, I had both on? Wouldn't that not give an output? Let's solve that problem by placing this here and placing a redstone torch. This will turn on if both have signals. So there you are. You're pretty much done. And with the actual logic. Let's wire it up. Let's go with wiring up the one first. What I like to do is just make a simple redstone tower, 2 high, target block, redstone torch, wool, another redstone torch. Then just feed this on over to the back. Okay, there we are. So now that I did a little bit more than wiring it over, I placed repeaters into these. Because who wants the redstone signal from here, if something else were to power it, to come back here? It would mess with our system. So now we're just gonna quickly place redstone on that. Let's skip over. Great job, you've done it. Now we have all this redstone on. Now we better test it. Let's come back here and just flip a lever. Oh, look, something's not wired right. Let's figure that out. It's not feeding into the signal. So, a simple solution for that is moving this over by 1. And remember, you need to put a repeater here, or else this will power backwards if something else were to power it. And now, boom, it's telling you that 1 plus nothing is 1. So the actual problem would be 1 equals 1. But who needs me to tell you that? You're not a preschooler, are you? Is this a preschooler watching? Please tell me it isn't. Anyway, this will represent our 2. So let's quickly just flip both signals on so it's easier for us. And see, the torch is getting powered. Now let's skip over to when I bring this line to the back. Okay, great, redstone's in. Let's move on. Let's wire this up to make it say 2. And remember, it should look like a 5 from the side you're on at the back. But that means it'll look like a 2 in front. So let's start with the bottom. So, oh look, I failed to wire that up. Just put out 3. And then what we're gonna wanna do is just bring this down and then just run it across and put a repeater in. And then you're gonna rinse and repeat for other parts of the 2. So here, 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 and here. Then you should be done. So, let's get over to that. Okay, now we're done. I wired it up, so now it should look like a 5 on the back, but it looks like a 2 up here. This is a very, very simple redstone computer that can tell you that 1 plus 1 equals 2, or 1 equals 1. So, thanks for watching. This is Dr. Wings, the Tired Redstoner, tuning out.